Human rights have their origin in the ideas of English philosopher John Locke. Locke wrote that all individuals are equal in the sense that they are born with certain inalienable natural rights. Among these fundamental natural rights, Locke said are life, liberty, and prosperity. Human rights refers to the right of every person to live a dignified life without facing any discrimination on the basis of religion, gender, race, caste, or country. A warm welcome to all. Today, December 10, is of great importance as today is International Human Rights Day. So, this presentation is to explain all about human rights, the origin, its significance, and the theme of Human Rights Day 2020. On December 10, 1948, the General Assembly of United Nations adopted the text of Universal Declaration of Human Rights, whereby the fundamental rights and liberties of every human being are universally acknowledged. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights contains 30 articles, the rights defined by them being disposed in three categories: civil and political rights, economic, social, and cultural rights, and collective or solidarity rights. Human rights are of great significance as they ensure people have basic needs met, they protect vulnerable groups from abuse, allow people to stand up to social corruption, and encourages freedom of speech and expression. In short, human rights guarantee people the means necessary to satisfy their basic needs, such as food, housing, education, so that they can take full advantage of all opportunities. Finally, by guaranteeing life, liberty, equality, and security, human rights protect people against abuse by those who are more powerful. Human Rights Day is observed every year on 10 December. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is a milestone document that proclaims the inalienable rights which everyone is entitled to as a human being. This year's Human Rights Day theme relates to the COVID 19 pandemic and focuses on the need to build back better by ensuring human rights are central to recovery efforts. 10 December is an opportunity to reaffirm the importance of human rights in rebuilding the world we want, the need for global solidarity, as well as interconnectedness and shared humanity. In conclusion, human rights are two sides of a coin. One side that gives them the desire, freedom, and the other side is the responsibility which they have to pay in return of this freedom. If we have the human right to live safely, it's also our responsibility to not let anyone else suffer in life. To deny people their human rights is to challenge their very humanity. Nelson Mandela. With this, I would like to conclude by thanking everyone for lending your ears. Once again, thank you.